Greetings world. We are anonymous.
Hi guys, today we are going to see how to set up a VPN in Kali Linux. I think there is no need to explain what is VPN. You guys already know. I think you may experience this situation. You will surf through an internet or through a website and it will show this content is blocked or this is not available for your location. Then what you will do is go to Play Store and download some VPN client, and then you switch to a VPN, and then you again surf into the same website and it will show you the content. And do you imagine how it works? Let's see. First of all, VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and I have taken this image from internet, which will explain simply how VPN work. We don't need to go elaborate into it. First, we see down no VPN. Without using VPN, what actually the process goes is, this is us, the user. This is our ISP, like Airtel or Vodafone, Idea, Jio, like that, internet service provider. And this is the internet, and it contains website what we are surfing to. When we enter anything like google.com or duckduckgo.com, what it will do is, this information is gone to the internet service provider. Then the internet service provider, what he will do is, he will capture our data, who is accessing for that information and where he is accessing that, and then he will go to that internet with that information. The internet site will see, okay, then it will give the information back to the ISP, and then the ISP will give the information to us. Let us consider that some websites are blocked in India. What happens now is, it will go to the ISP, and the ISP will give the internet that is from India. Then what it will show is, we don't give any content for the users from India. Then our ISP provider will give the information that this content is blocked. Okay, this is how normal and regular basis the surfing works. When it comes to VPN, now see, what we will do is, we will be connecting into a VPN tunnel. We are searching for www.google. It will go to the VPN client. What he will do is, he will capture our data, where we are from and what. Some VPN will capture, some VPNs are legit, many VPN services are out there, some are for free, some are for paid version, and you will get what you pay for only. Okay, if you are using a paid version, I guarantee you that it will work for 100%. They will not capture your data, they will not log your traffics. Okay, but if you are using some free VPNs, not definitely, maybe 40% they will log your traffics, and they might have some data what you are seeking in. Okay, what they will do is, they will completely hide your information and your location, and with the different location and information they will be giving to an ISP. Then the ISP will giving what we are seeking for. This VPN client will change what we are seeking for. For example, I have given www.google.com, but what this VPN client will do is, it will change what we are seeking for. It will change something which belongs to them itself. For example, let us consider that DuckDuckGo belongs to this VPN client. What he will do is, he will give the ISP as duckduckgo.com. He is searching for duckduckgo.com. Then let us consider this one is the duckduckgo.com. But this is also their client only. Okay, the VPN server. Here it will go. Then what he will do is, he will decrypt the data, okay, and see what actually he is looking for. What he is looking for, google.com. Then here in this internet, the data is passing. What I am seeking for is google.com. Then it will pass the information. Then comes here, same as duckduckgo.com. It will show, yeah, I got the duckduckgo.com. Sorry, I am blabbering. duckduckgo.com. And it comes here. Then again it will decrypt the data and give us at www.google.com. Okay, this is how the VPN works. And you must know how VPN work, and you must know how to use VPNs. But I am telling you that don't use VPNs for 100%. I am sure in that. Don't use VPN. I am also, and I don't like to use VPN, because there is no 100% trusted VPN source around there. Okay, if you're paying them more, what they will do is there are many VPN out there for paid. Let us consider the top 5 VPNs. They also log our traffics sometimes. Let us consider the situation. A army is again a terrorist. Okay, a army. If the army knows this terrorist is using this VPN, if army is standing against the VPN company, do you think that they won't give the information to them? Definitely they will. And we can't say that they didn't log our information or traffic at least for a 1 KB. They have. At least they will have a information for the first time we logged into the site or the payment receipt. Like that, something information they will have, and they will give that to them. With that information, the army or ISP, they can do anything to us. I'm assuring you, and I'm saying you, and this is my disclaimer to you, don't use VPN. Okay? But as our tutorial continues, I must show you how to use VPN in Khalil next. Okay? Let's get started. First of all, what we need to do is, there is a site called VPN Book. Just go to Google and put VPN Book. Enter. You can see the first site, VPN Book. This is this one. Okay, just go into that. I search for many. I can say you, I assured you that don't use VPN for 100%. And again I am saying you, this is the 100% free VPN, which gives you a faster surfing speed and then a security. Okay, like the paid ones. This free VPN is equal to some of the paid VPN networks. Okay, that way I am giving you this VPN Book. If you want to use VPN, don't pay anyone or don't use any apps from Play Stores. Okay, just go to this VPN Book. Okay, VPN Book, that is free only, and they are giving you a great surfing speed as well as the security. Okay, now after going to this VPN Book, what you have to go do is click on this Open VPN. Click on this Open VPN, and you can see they have a lot of bundle certificates. Okay, PL2D. Okay, I don't know what this is, but we need to look on here. Okay, they are offering us the US VPN server, Canada VPN servers, and France VPN service. Okay, what you have to do is just click which one you want and then save. But I am not going to do that. I have already saved it in my system. You can see that here in VPN like this. But I am going to show you, just I download one. It will be as a zip file. You can see here the zip file. Just open it, and then you need to extract it. I have extracted. You can see I have extracted with the extension of .ovpn, which stands for OpenVPN. You can see I have copied this and moved to a folder called VPN. I have every country's VPN. Okay, this is the way you need to do it. Okay, let me delete it first. For your knowledge, I have downloaded it. I don't need it. Okay, that's all. Just go to the site and download this. And now we start our work in terminal. I just close it. I don't need it. And then let it be here. Okay, we came to our terminal. Now what we need to do is put ls, and you need to move on to that folder VPN, not the folder where the .opvn present. You need to go there. You can see ls. Every file I am having is with the dot extension of OVPN. Okay, now what we need to do is put sudo open VPN space, and then you have to put the thing which you want. I am going to use this VPN of Canada with the port 80. Okay, there are many TCP port also there, UDP port also there. You can change any port based on your internet speed. If this is not speed, then you can move on to TCP 433. If it is not speed, then you move on to UDP 53. If it's not speed, then you move on to UDP 25000. Okay, first I am using this, which is basic. I just copy it. and we just paste it. Okay, then enter. It is asking for my password. Yeah, now you can see enter authenticator username, which means they have given here the username is VPN. I don't know why this is an open VPN, but they have a username and password. If it is an open VPN, why they need to put password and all, I don't know. They are making it safe. The password D capital A 9R, D capital A 9R, capital J DS, capital J DS. Sorry, let me check. Yeah, DS. Enter. It is running. Wait. At last it will show initiation. Until that you need to wait. Yeah, you can see Tuesday, May 28, it's time. Initiation sequence completed, which means now we are under the VPN tunnel. Let's check. Go back to the site. Just close it. I don't need it. Just put DNS leak test. See, for the first time it will be slow only, but we got it, no problem. Yeah, you can see I said I'm using a Canadian VPN. You can see I'm from Canada and my IP address is 198.27.69.198, and I'm assuring you that this is not my IP address, and I'm also not from Canada. In my previous video you would have seen that I'm from Pondicherry and my IP address is 106 point something, and this is not. Let's do a standard test. Sorry, I need to show you something. Yeah, I think I got it. You can see in my standard test of DNS leaks, actually I am leaked. You see, I am not anonymous. Do you think I just changed my IP address? Okay. What some hackers or others government officials will do is they only not seek for our IP address. They will seek for our DNS leaks. Then we are not anonymous anymore. You can see here Airtel, Airtel, Airtel. Yes, I am using Airtel SIM and it is shown here. What if they contact, they don't need to contact Airtel. Here itself it's given I am from India. I am not anymore from Canada. Then you can open any sites, because site seeks only IP address, but the person don't seek IP address. He want our location. To capture our location, he can do anything. He can scan for our DNS like that. Now see, he found out that I am from India. That's why I said you don't use VPN. VPN is not secure. The VPN actually don't block our DNS, or they do not protect our DNS leak. What they do is they just change our IP address. Okay. See, what is the use of using VPN if they know I am from India? Just use VPN to access any website which is restricted for you, but don't think that VPN makes you anonymous. On tomorrow video we are going to see that how to make really anonymous using DNS. Actually, in tomorrow video we are going to change our DNS itself. Thank you for watching.